Hello class, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Spark to create a poster. So on your assignment sheet there is a link that will get you to this page where you enter your class code. Mine is going to be different than the one that you will put in because mine's just a practice one. After I hit next, it'll ask you to sign in with Google. Now you must sign in with your DC Everest Google account or this will not work. When you get to this page, it says choose an account for, and you're going to choose the one that says company or school account. And then it'll say confirm sign in account. Hit sign in. And the last thing here is you're going to make sure you're on the DC Everest School District. And here we go. Here's my page. So the best way to start this art show poster would be to click the blue circle with the plus on the top left, and I would choose flyer. It'll take a second to load these up. There are different templates you can use, or you can start blank and start your own. The templates are here on the right hand side. You can choose one that might fit what you like, or you can also edit these as well, so it doesn't have to be exactly what you see. I'm going to just choose this one because this kind of looks like the style that I'm going to want to do. So we'll load up the template. Hopefully. Okay, and here we go. So I'm just going to, whoops. Okay, so from here we can do some editing. So if I click on any text, if I double click it, I can type in whatever I want. So I'm just gonna say the fantastic art show. Click done, and now my text has changed. From here I can grab this circle on the top left and I can make it bigger, smaller. If I pull up, it will put it on more than one line. If I pull down, it'll create just one line. So I can put that there. And I can keep double clicking on the different texts to change them. I could just select one and hit delete if I don't like it. Another thing, once you are clicked on text, on the right hand side, you'll see some different options here. There's a lot of different fonts in Adobe Spark, some pretty interesting ones. So I could choose one and you can see it changed automatically on here. Other thing is I can move my slider to the right to change the size of the font, the spacing between the letters. If I want it to be faded, I can change the opacity. And the order is just the arrangement. So if I wanted this on top of another shape, I can play around with this order and just move the slider. Other things, I could change this picture by clicking on it once, and then I would hit replace. And I can upload a photo myself by hitting add. You are supposed to put in 3 images of Leonardo da Vinci's artwork. So you'll probably want to find those first, save them, and then you can upload them directly from here. I'm just going to click on a picture that already exists, and then it changes automatically. From there, you can still do more. You can change the orientation of your picture. You can crop it. If you wanted to do a shape crop, the shapes will show up here. So if I wanted it to be a circle, I can click on that, and when I go off of it, now my picture is in the shape of a circle. Pretty simple. Other things, I can change my color scheme. So you can click on some different ones here and find one you like, or you can come up with your own. I can also change the layout. So if I have a bunch of different pictures, maybe I want it to look like a grid, I can click on these different ones and it kind of sets it up for you, which is really nice. Other things you can add your own text if you want to do that separately. There are some templates of text which are kind of interesting as well. They just have text with different styles and different shapes, so you could look through those click on one, and then you would double click or hit the pencil up here to change what that looks like. Other things, you could add an icon. What I thought was nice on my example on the assignment sheet is I wanted to put a circle behind my photo. So I just typed in circle, whoops. And here are all my circle options here. So I could just click a circle. And here, whoop, 3 circles. And when I select an object, I can go to the right, choose color, and all these different color options. And then if I go back to here, if I want to change the order, this is what I was talking about before, I can keep sliding it to the left if I want it behind different things, or if I move it to the right, it will be on top. So those are the basics. Play around with it, be as creative as you can, and see what you can make. Your job is to do as much as you can on your own, and if you're working virtually, the next in-person class, I can help you finish anything if needed, and hopefully this will work out. Otherwise, message me with any questions. Thanks.